Wagwan! Welcome back to my channel, Cooking Remodread. Yes, people, I'm back in the kitchen and today we're gonna make some nice and wonderful stewed beef with some cock noodle. Yes, people, some nice and wonderful stewed beef with some cock noodle. Okay, people, let's make this stewed beef. Start up by seasoning up your beef. Now I'm gonna go ahead and season my beef with some seasoned salt. Let's get the seasoned salt all over it, people. Season is nice, season is good, and pepper some chicken seasoning. Yes, people. Oh my god, it's gonna be so good, people. Trust me. Let's add a different type of chicken seasoning again. Yes, people. Nice and good and wonderful. This is how we do it. Trust me. Pepper seasoning, pepper cooking, pepper everything. Some onion powder. Let's get this onion powder over it too. Then we're gonna add some all-purpose seasoning, people. Yes, people. Nice and good and wonderful all-purpose seasoning. Some Abdullah. Let's do this, people. Yes, people. Nice and good and wonderful. This is gonna be amazing. Let's go ahead and rub it up and get that seasoning all over that beef, people. Yes, people. Nice and good and wonderful. Now let's go ahead and add some jerk seasoning. Cause we want a little bit of spice. We want egg. We want to be a little bit spicy, people. Get that jerk seasoning all over it. Let's rub it up, mix it up, and get that jerk seasoning all over that beef, people. Yes, people. Nice and good. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and add some browning, people, to brown the meat. Yes, people. Let's go ahead and pour that browning on all over that beef, people. Yes, people. Nice and good and wonderful. Now let's go ahead and rub up that browning and get it all over the beef, people. Oh my god, look at that. That looks so good. So amazing, people. It's gonna be so good, people. Trust me. Now, let's go ahead and pour some oil to a pot. Add some oil to a pot. And then go ahead and add in the beef, people. After your oil is hot, people. Yes, people. Nice and good and wonderful. Now that my oil is out, let's go ahead and put in this beef, people. Oh yes, sizzling, people. Let's go ahead and put the beef in. Time to cook this beef up. Stew this beef down. Let's go ahead and stir it up, mix it up. Yes, people. Nice and good and wonderful, people. Yes, so good, so amazing. Now let's go ahead and cover this up, people. Yes, people. Nice and good and wonderful. Now let's go ahead and check out.
It's gonna be so good.
Yes, people.
So amazing,
people. Let's give it a
nice
start,
and
people.
wonderful beef, people.
Now let's go ahead and add in some water to cook this beef down, people. Yes, people. Nice and good and wonderful. This beef gonna be so good, people. You most definitely want to try this out, people. Now let's go ahead and cover it up. Yes, people. Now let's go back and check on my beef, people. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add in my cock noodle, people. Nice, good, and wonderful cock noodle, people. Let's go ahead and pour the cock noodle in, people. Let's get all of the cock noodle in the pot, people. Let's go ahead and stir it up. Now let's go ahead and cover it up so it can cook down, people. Oh my god, look at this beef, people. So good, so amazing. Yes, people. Now let's go ahead and add in our onions and scallions and peppers, people. And thyme. Yes, people. Let's go ahead and add it all into the pot, people. Oh my god, look at this already. This looks so good, people. You most definitely want to try this out. Now let's go ahead and mix up everything in the pot, people. Now let's go ahead and add in some ketchup. Now I want to add and put some ketchup into the pot, people. a little bit of a spoon and let's go ahead and put a little more. Yes, people, nice and good and wonderful. This is gonna be so good. Now let's cover it up and let this cut down, people. Now we are back and let's check on our beef, people. As you can see, you want to cut down a little bit more. The water is too long, so I'm gonna cook it a little bit more and then it should be done. Yes, people, nice and good and wonderful. Oh my God, let's go ahead and check on it now, people. Oh, look at this, so good, it's so amazing. You most definitely want to try this out. Maybe the water is down a little bit, but it's perfect. Let's go ahead and put this out. Look at this, people, so good, so wonderful. Stewed beef. Yes, people, some nice and wonderful stewed beef. Until next time, like, comment, share, and most definitely subscribe.